Hello mga ka-sammy! Crazy here! And welcome back for another My Samsung Story here on our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH.
Got my heart out and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby, we'll never get old.
Alam niyo mga ka-sammy, sobra talaga ako na-amaze sa mga nakikita kong night sky photos sa internet. At based pa nga sa na-research ko, they use the term astrophotography when someone is taking photograph of the night sky. Crazy. As astrophotographer.
Pwede, crazy!
And as a millennial myself who knows nothing much about it, isa talaga sa mga big misconception ko about astrophotography is that it requires extensive gears. Andiyan na yung DSLR cameras, wide-angle lenses, at para naman sa mga stars at constellations, ang hirap naman, di ba, kapag picture ka ng picture, tapos hindi mo naman magawa ma-identify. So, kailangan din dyan ng mga star tracker devices. At meron pa yung mahabang malaki. Astronomical telescope. Eh, di ba ang mahal nun?
True that!
Ala! Kung bibilhin ko lahat ng mga yun, ano bang matitira sa allowance ko? Paano ko naman susuportahan yung mga food cravings ko?
Ay, naku, crazy!
Kaya naman mga kasami, good news! In case you didn't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra can now be used by everyone to take pro-level photos of the night sky.
Legit!
No worries na on how to set up the ISO, speed, focus, and white balance because of its new astrophoto mode.
Amazing!
Once you open the camera app, check for more settings. And from there, you will see the Expert Pro, which is an innovative camera app for Samsung Galaxy.
Oh, really?
And mga kasami, make sure to save pictures in RAW format as it is the ideal format to save night shots. And not only that mga kasami, it also offers more editing options than those saved in JPEGs or PNGs.
Nice one!
It is very important to keep in mind mga kasami that the camera needs to be kept as steady as possible to allow it to take in light. Kaya naman wag niyo akong i-judge kung hindi tripod ang gamit ko ha. I only have phone stand at home kaya ito na lang ang ginamit ko.
Perfect!
Hi mga kasami! Astrophotography is really very challenging and I cannot imagine myself doing this. Pero look mga kasami, first attempt ko pa lang, ito yung naging result.
Wow, nakaka-amaze! Kuhang-kuhang ganda ng sky, stars, pati yung bubong ng kapitbahay.
Ay, naku, crazy!
Alam niyo ba mga kasami, I also tried the stunning astro hyperlapse that gives me a video of the stars moving across the sky. And after 10 minutes of waiting, this is the result.
Love it!
So yun na nga mga kasami, as you can see dun sa previous Astro Hyperlapse video ko, that the sky is partly cloudy. Pero, para sa isang beginner na katulad ko, I still consider that video as an achievement unlock. And surely sa mga susunod na nighttime, when the sky is clear, I will definitely try that feature again. Hello mga kasami! Gusto mo bang manalo ng 200 pesos worth of e-voucher meal? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Sagutin mo na ang question na to.
This blank feature of Galaxy S23 Ultra allows me to capture the stars moving across the sky.
Oh, kung alam mo ang sagot, just click the link in the description below. Only the 10 lucky viewers who will get the correct answer will win 200 pesos worth of e-voucher meal.
Enjoy ka dyan!
I really love how amazing my Galaxy S23 Ultra and I hope you will love it too. Thanks again mga kasami for watching. Again, I'm Crazy and see you again on my next Samsung Story.
If you like this video, hit the like button and tap the notification bell to keep you updated with the latest news from Samsung. Please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated and not outdated.